Hello, this is Paul Tommey with Champions Realty. I'm at my newest listing at 3919 Grayfox Drive, Northeast Columbus, 31909. This is a corner lot, fenced yard, 4-bedroom, 3 full baths with a 4-car garage underneath the house. Look at the description below for pricing and further details. Thank you. This is the view of the family room with the wood-burning fireplace. A view from the front foyer back through the family room. Last family lived there had a dinette area on the other side. View from the dinette area to the kitchen. Gas stove, granite countertops, stainless steel sink and appliances, brushed nickel hardware. Northeast Columbus location. This is what I call a dining room den. This is the storage room off the dining room den. View of the hallway. Master bedroom. Carpets have been professionally cleaned. Walk-in closet. Another view of the master bedroom. Nice master bathroom with a stand-up shower with the tub, tile floors. Bedroom number 2. It's on the main floor, ground level from the street. Second view of bedroom number 2. This is the guest bath in the hallway on the main floor. Bedroom number 3. Second view, bedroom number 3. Going down the stairs. This is the bedroom, bathroom number 3 downstairs. Very nice bathroom. Downstairs is this is the laundry room area. Bedroom number 4. This is a storage room or office. It's a walk-in closet. This is a room, I would say, this is the lower level den with a walkout basement. It has a huge garage. It's almost 600 square feet. You put 4 cars in there easily. Fresh paint on the floor and the walls. Another view of the garage. Again, walkout basement. Another storage room downstairs. Roof is less than a year old. Air conditioners are 5 to 6 years old. That'll be on the seller's disclosure. Get anywhere in Columbus within 25 minutes to the front gate of Fort Benning in about 18 to 22 minutes. Nice covered side patio with a privacy fence. You can put about 4 cars easily on the driveway. Side loader. Another view of the driveway. That back cover to the right is about 40 feet long and about 20 feet wide. You can put your dinette area, furniture out there. The neighbor behind just put in a fence, new fence. If you'd like to see this property and you don't have an agent, contact Paul Tommey at 762-822-6411. Also see the number on the screen just below of my office as well. I hope you have the best day ever, and I hope you find the property of your dreams. Thank you.